Welcome to Koya-san, the sacred area for the Shingon sect of esoteric Buddhism.
明日
This meaning is tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Yeah, I know this word. We always use tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. But what is tomorrow?
Tomorrow, on the day after today. The show opens tomorrow.
This meaning is day. Day. This meaning is light. Right. So tomorrow is always bright day. Bright day. If we don't do nothing for tomorrow, tomorrow will be just day. So we should work for tomorrow. We should study for tomorrow. We should pray for tomorrow.
Ashita means that while I'm currently having a bad day, tomorrow will be a bright, new day. Tomorrow means I can look forward to another cup of coffee. Tomorrow means I have a new day to do something. Peace. Tomorrow is the day for me to put my ideas on paper. Tomorrow means I can catch up with this work that I've been putting off. Imagine a blank canvas. A blank canvas has the potential to be something, but if I don't do something, then it's just another blank canvas. It's just another day. Tomorrow means that in order for me to enjoy today and tomorrow, I have to let go of the past. If I'm stuck living in the past, then I won't be able to enjoy the moments of the present. What's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Tomorrow means to look forward. Tomorrow means I did something really stupid today, but I can go into tomorrow learning from the past. Tomorrow means I can look forward to tomorrow's event. Tomorrow is an opportunity for me to try again, even though I've already failed countless times. Tomorrow means moving forward to the future, while paying respect to the past.
Just remember the loss of your family, your friends, and someone, and please appreciate them. If you appreciate dead people, you will appreciate your life.
Tomorrow means that I am in good health, which means I can look forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow means I may not have much time left, so I should live like there's no tomorrow. Tomorrow is a chance to make someone's day.
Please say thank you so much to your friend and your family. Of course, with smile.
I should show others that I'm thankful for a new day.
If we make smile in a happy world, we will make people happy and smile. But if we make angry face and a bad world, we will make people angry, cry, sadly. Yeah, it's simple.
But more importantly, live for a better tomorrow.
So this is one of my favorite words. Please keep it in mind.
Thank you.
Yes. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.